pickleball. To play pickleball is about
Pickleball, yun yung pinakaano kami.
Who's calling?
thinking,
I think it's me.
You think
or fighting.
it's you?
So, supposed to be, kailangan
Or it's
consistent
Papa?
and precise.
Pipi.
Tennis is much more wide or then sa pickleball naman, it's like a short. Then, pwede rin natin i-ano.
Wow.
i-
Yellow heart.
in ping pong.
Hi,
No
Kaylee.
ping better.
Ang first
No ping
server,
better.
Ang tawag dito?
Ping
Ano, rinig mo?
ang score,
peng for life.
series game of 2.
Pang
Zero is
Yes, kanina pa. Because it's raining. That's why I'm here na.
Yung 2 is the
Magkagad
second
naman eh.
server. Yun yung first serve.
At
Medyo
Makulay po tayo.
complicated siya. First server,
Pati si ate na
Sinner.
makulay.
then the receiver, they need to return, and at yung server, they need to wait one bounce. Because kung papalunin nila ng without bounce, it's foul.
Nang ano ga?
Ano ba yan? Papi? Walang pasok bukas?
Ha?
Anong kulang?
Ba't mawawala ng pasok bukas?
Nagkakapik eh.
Sabi nga. Ano?
Ay, yun.
Oh, explain mo nga, bebe. Ay, may nakikipagpigay pa sa akin na ano, ka-fam ko. Tingnan nyo naman itsura ko. Tapos papipigay nyo. Ay, di walang nagbagsak sa akin. Ala.
Saan ko nalalagay?
Dito. Hindi ko yan. Anong sa rep? Doon may lagay. Oo. Magpipikay, tas ganito itsura ko. Eh, di walang nagbagsak sa akin.
Bulok na. Nabulok.
Diga yellow heart. Wala magbabagsak sa akin pag na itsura. Kawawa naman ako. Hi, Benjamin. Maayos. Ikik mo yan. Nanggigigil ako.
Lahok pa ba yan?
Wala naman akong gagawin. Iimik lang ako doon. Depende sa imik ko, ganun.
Ba't wala nang kain baboy?
Explosion imminent. The planet's gonna explode! I gotta call the plant and warn them.
Patay ka, Kim. Ay, patay ka, Kim.
The fingers you have used to dial are too fast.
I should have known myself.
Si nanay,
Ha?
Switch. I wish I had my reaching broom.
nanay Nilay, nandun nakatira sa kanila po.
Grabe yung busog ko.
You briefly quick thinking is
Ah,
doing
Tingnan nyo.
the three mile island. Bravo!
Sagbu. Napo ko. Mamaya, besh. Sige na, mag-PK na nga.
After the principal left, Bart pulled out a bottle of beer.
nandun naman si Pinay.
This is hands down the most broken place to farm bandage, and I'm not even kidding.
Wala nang ice cream.
The lava lake inside the volcanic body.
Inubos nyo na.
This spot is crazy.
Tapos hindi nyo man lang ako tinirahan.
No bandages here.
Busin mo lahat yan, Lovely Joy.
All you have to do is
Naririnig yung maganda kong pangalan eh.
before you start, there are a couple of important